Hi, girls. What are you guys up to? And there is Pixie, Yuri, and Henrietta. It's your playtime, isn't it? Pixie, over here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl, Pixie. Good girl. Oh, what you guys doing? Henrietta, what are you doing? Henrietta, come here. Hello, Yuri. Hello. All right, I'll let you guys play. All right, say bye. Bye, Pixie. Bye, Henrietta. Bye, Yuri.